Welcome to our garden furniture heaven where style meet outdoor appeals. Today we are diving into the world of endless possibilities, transforming your outdoor space into tranquils from sleek modern longest to rustic handcraft wooden bench wire Scott and global to pure to ultimate garden furniture collection that side your every taste and budget. For setup that day functionality imagine soaking up a sun and adjustable cheese that follow your everything or perhaps prefer classic charm to pastoral set of cozy conversion understate. We have got our back, provide you with versatile option and cater to your needs. Now on to materials, the foundation of every outdoor seastake, wickers, metal and resins. Each material comes with unique charm to durability. We will guide you through the process and make sure helping to have informed decision to ensure your garden furniture start the test of time. Looking to add a touch of elegance to your garden, we got range to expert tips through from bush cushion to woven post to protective cover that keep your furniture in top shape. Our idea help to enhance your outdoor living space. But the fun does not stop there. We will explore your project for the creative souls. Here you can craft your own one of a kind garden furniture. We will teach you essential skill and provide a step-by-step guide, all while keeping your budget in mind. To add a cherry on top, we have even reviewed, test, and ensuring the garden is a reflection and contemporary aesthetic. We delve deep into the color, pattern, design, and concept, our sustainable option for eco-conscious garden and ecosystem. We will explore a world of inspiration of outdoor or seas garden furniture that will transform your space into heaven, relaxation and style. Either you have sprawling backyard and cozy balcony, we have got to cover from sleek and modern design that elevate the aesthetic of urban landscapes to rustic and charming pieces that bring a touch of countryside to your doorstep. Our curated collection to garden furniture ideas offer something for every taste and space. We will develop into the space saving solution to smart garden, explore eco-friendly materials and share tips and how to maintain and care to your outdoor furniture. Get ready to embark on a journey for creativity, comfort and great outdoor example the best garden furniture ideal to help you make the most of your outdoor living experience. From space saving balcony setup to sprawling, you are looking to relax in a cozy corner, entertain guests in a cheap dining area, or in the sun of luxurious loungers. We go to cover us to delving to the world of garden furniture, providing expert tips to selecting the right material, color and design to complement your outdoor aesthetic, discover innovative way to maximize space and improve your investment and infuse our garden and character letting park scenes garden our noise Comprehensive guide will spark your imagination and help you curate to garden furniture arrangement to our dreams. So without further ado, we'll delve deep into the world of garden furniture idea that turn your outdoor space into the heaven of the relaxation and beauty. When it comes to dining, extendable tables to fantastic solutions that allow you to adapt your seating capacity based on number of guests, far more restrictable, penny, gathering, beer, these with stylish chair for practical and elegant dining experience. Now let's dive deep into the cozy of mode relaxation, home timeless edition that provide visual retreat of a quick map to luxury ratings with chairs suspended your garden charm consider adding to pergola covered to vines offering both shade and nature beauty. Lighting play a crucial role to enhancing ambience of your garden, starting light to trap along fans wrapped around branch create a magical atmosphere in the evening. Solar provide true bath light and eco-friendly option that illuminate bath with a guide guest. For tips to tabletop to floor, not practical but add a warm and inviting touch perfect chilly light. Stone is often overlooked but essential for keeping your outdoor space TD was in weather resistant storage venture text box to can double and seating while keeping your gardening tools and other items protected for elements that ultimate purpose approach ensure to everything has its place. When it comes to finishing, just do not forget but shade solution. Garden furniture is more than just functional opportunity achieve showcase your personal style while optimizing your outdoor living space. Add your perfect, classy, rustic, and contemporary look to endless. And choose to remember to invest in quality, and resistance materials, incorporation, unique taste, and create a garden that not only sustain resistance materials but an extent of your home personality. Thanks for tuning in to our garden ideas. I hope you are inspired to elevate your outdoor oasis. Do not forget subscribe to more videos.